In this video, we will be discussing about the reading room or library facility in Delhi while during your IAS coaching for getting in a calm atmosphere and a place to properly study. We'll opting for library or reading room. So many of the people coming from other states not so like familiar with the reading room concept. So it's nothing but you will get a small cubicle for studying, and there are some other different facilities are there for helping your preparation. So I'll explain one to one. In a reading room, most of the important thing is a calm and cool atmosphere you will be getting there. Means a controlled atmosphere. There is absolute silence. Talking is not prohibited in there, and many other students are also there, but you will be getting a place for you, like you will be paying some amount per month, 1000 to 2000 something according to the facilities you will choose. Like you can get for 5 hours around 800 rupees, for like 14 hours like 1500 rupees, something like that. There are very many options are there, and there are locker facilities also, so you can keep your books, so you don't have to carry the books every time from your home to the studying place. You can just keep it over there. Monthly they will charge some amount, and some of the libraries don't charge the amount also. So that is one important advantage. And most of the reading rooms are 24/7, so 24 hours working. So according to your comfort you can go and study. You can preferably sit there and study for entire day. It's like that. And the another advantage is more focus, because less distractions are in the library. So there will be partition between you and another student, so all your focus will be on your particular cubicle and whatever you are studying, and silence is there. And another facility is there, then it's a air condition, so it will be a pleasant atmosphere. And another thing you can get, it's a proper lighting, as well as there is a washroom facility. And as well as there are some reading rooms, you can, there are some places you can have your food and all those stuff. And there is a purified water also there. So let's see the facilities. One thing is the drinking water facility. There will be purified water they will be providing, so you can save money on that. You don't have to purchase from outside. And newspaper also you don't have to purchase, you will get the newspaper there itself, Hindu, Indian Express, all those important things. And the important thing is there is a free Wi-Fi, so it's in a very good speed. You don't have to buy a separate connection for your home, thus save the money. And proper air conditioning is there, and there will be washrooms are there, so you don't have to go to your home for every time. And there's a proper clean and very well maintained, and lockers for putting your important things like laptop, books, all those stuff. You don't have to carry every time. And silence is another thing. And the canteen services, there are some libraries provide canteen service like South Indian and North Indian in an affordable cost, like tiffin services. So some libraries you don't even have to go out to have food. It's itself there actually. You just have there, study there. For sleep you go to your home, else you can sleep over there also. Doesn't matter. Another thing is that the affordable fee with the timing options. So some people, the studying timing is different. Suppose a guy like me, I will study around 5 to 6 hours only in a library. Rest of the time I will study in my room or something. So I don't have to take a like membership for a 16 hours, like have to pay 1500. I can simply paying 1000 rupees, I can go for this particular thing. So about the timing options, you can select it, save some money. And another important advantage you will be getting for if you are going to a reading room or library, so you can interaction with serious students. So most of students, they will be quite serious, and most of them are like already past prelims, already past mains, gone to interview and doesn't carry, or always some other officers also studying there, because some are needed like IAS, IPS, they get some another services. So the crowd is quite good, so interaction with them and the tea break or something will give you a good idea, and also see that how they are studying, what are their strategies. You can improve your strategies also. So reading room is a very good thing, because if you study in our room, we will be in the comfort zone. There might be temptation to sleep, watch some movies, or like comfortably sitting, all those stuff. So it will like less focus we can whenever we are in our room. So reading room will be a good choice. Hope it helps. And some another videos related to cost of IAS and IAS aspirants life, IAS related videos I mentioned in the description, you can go through it for more understanding about this particular journey, the dream IAS. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.